Welcome back. In this lesson, we're setting up our styles because styles make things beautiful, and we want this app to be beautiful for our clients to make it look really professional and just like a legit application. So let's do it. Go over into your software application. We're going to click on theme. Within the theme, we can set up our different font choices, our different colors, and this is going to be used across the entire application. All right. Normally, we just want to use one font choice, and then we want to have one main color and an accent color. And this just keeps it clean, simple, professional. We don't want to get too confusing here with too many different colors. So in this case, I'm just going to choose the font of Noto Sans here. There we go. I'm going to say this is semi-bold for my headings. And then for my body, it's normal. And then I'm going to grab a color that I have grabbed from off screen, and I'm going to use the hex code right there. It's like a nice dark that I like. 181D14 is the hex code. And for the accent, I'm going to use the same color as the text because it's going to be that nice button that has the accent that shows the user what we want them to click. For the app styles, I think medium is just a great style. And generally, this is saying, how big do you want things throughout your app? Do you want the text to be really small, medium, large? I like medium good. And then for the roundness, we could choose between little rounding up there to full rounding like that. And in this case, I think a little rounding works well. But if you ever wanted to change that, you could do that as well. And then if you want any kind of shadows added to the elements, you can just toggle that on and off. And then finally, if you want to have a different kind of width to your application, you could change that. But otherwise, all these styles should be good to go. Plug them in on your side. And then after this, we'll get started with building our first page. So let's save it, and I'll see you in the next lesson.